So I'm gonna do an introduction for our annotation platform. So just go to my task and then click this called implement. So this is our annotation platform. So first thing you want to do is just switch the languages into English, which is on the top right here. But just be noticed, you're gonna do it at first, like before you're doing the actual work. Sorry, before you're doing the actual work, you can switch it to the English, because sometimes when you switch the languages, some of your label can be gone. So let me show you. Yeah, so sometimes it happens and sometimes it don't. So just make sure you do it first so that you don't lose anything. And then on the left side, there's a button. First one means save, and this one means submit. This one is skip, and the data is invalid. So normally you won't be able to use the last two buttons, just the first two, save and submit. On the left side, this one shows the speaker 1 and 2, and you can just add more based on that. So the person speak first in the audio is speaker 1, and then the person speak second is speaker 2, and then just so on. Yeah, and then this is a gender and accent. Sometimes you will be getting this audio type box, which it literally asking you to put in what type of audio is it, like about the content. For example, if the content is talk about the sports, you can just put sports in it, or if it's just like an interview, you can just put interview. It depends. Right here it shows the box where you transcribe the audio, so you can just make it bigger so that you can see everything by holding this spot. And on the right side, this one says the validity, because sometimes the audio is not invalid.
Start to talk about food.
So for example, if this one is invalid, you can just mark it as invalid, or you can just delete the segment.
I am the recorder.
So either way, it depends on our guidelines, so you just have to make sure. And to create a segment, you just have to hold your left mouse and then just swipe it.
Start to talk about food.
So like that, you've created a segment. You just have to put in everything.
I am the recorder.
And there are three things that wanna mention that please be noted. First one is do not click skip and invalid data, because normally once you click the submit or invalid data, the data will be gone, and you won't be able to see it again. So just don't click these two buttons, just the first two. And then click save frequently, so it's this one. So just make sure you click this save once in a while, because annotation is a big amount of work. So even if the accident happened and you click save once in a while, you won't be lose too much. Yeah, sometimes the website lagging, you just have to refresh it.
I agree to authorize my speech to data tank. ZY.
The last thing is, if there's any unfinished annotation, click save and then close the website. Do not log out. So that means like once you're done with the work today but it's not finished, you can just click save. Yeah, and then just close the website. Yeah, just close the website, and once you feel like doing it again, you can just re-log in and then open your task. And to submit data, you just have to click save first and then click submit. So once the task been submitted, you will be seeing that, and that means the task is submitted. Okay, so now we jump to the QC side, which I just submit a task with the annotator's account. So as a QC, you will receive it at the self-inspection test. So just click this self-check, and then you can see the test account has submitted one task right here. So once it says pending one, that means there's one task pending, like waiting for you to check. So click self-check, and then just remember to put same amount of number on both of these boxes. Let's say if this person submitted one task, that means you have to put one in the first one and put one in the second one. So and then click random and then begin.
I agree to authorize.
So still you can change the languages into English, but just as QC, I don't recommend you switch the languages because sometimes it could be like the annotation could be gone. Like I don't think you want to take this kind of chance.
I am the recorder.
So once you finish checking, you can just click qualified or repair. So it says repair, but actually it means like rejected. So if you click qualified,
I agree to authorize my speech to.
you can see on the bottom this task has shown green. And if you click repair,
I agree to authorize.
you see the box turn to the right. So sometimes you won't just have one task because people will be submit like 2 to 3 tasks. Let's say if there's one task in green and 2 tasks in red, and then you just click end of inspection. You can just click the pass button. In that case, the task that was clicked repair will be sent back to the annotator, and that one task that qualified will be sent to us. So, but right now I can just click repair so that the annotator could get the task back. Yeah, so right now you can see the implement switch to the revise. Yeah, so just click revise, and then right here click this revise. Just click this one again, so that you jump to the task we've done before.
I agree to authorize.
So still it was the same page that your annotations are. So you can just click save and submit again. Yeah, I think that's it. So once you're done, you can still click submit, and it will be sent to the QC again.